Have that bottle of Pepsi now, let's just...
There you go, man. We're doing this again.
Thanks, mate.
There's literally no battery on there.
Oh, why are you putting it?
Where at batteries?
Just turned it off. So it's alright, we can get an intro on it.
Hi, welcome to the Urban Explorer Show. Is that it? Is that all we can get in?
Yeah.
What are we doing today, Lordy?
We're at a school. That's like as much information as I have on that. I might not put that in there.
You only
Are you
noticed
tired today, Nolan?
You only noticed it once.
Yeah, he's a bit cranky, isn't he?
We're a bit cranky today, mate. We're up all night. Finger in a lass from Barnsley. Are we going? I'm starving. I need a shit as well.
Nice little touch there at the end. I like a nice little touch.
What, mate? That guy's about to watch you get down. Oh, shit! Who's that? Stay away from windows. Take a picture. Just walking past. No, we're just sorting it out. Whoa, it is fired up, innit? You can be my light man.
Are we actually going to look in the rooms?
Well, let's go forward and then work his way back.
Good idea. Actually,
I like that. It's really weird. It's like the fire's like a liquid fire. It's like run. Are we in the hall?
oh shit, this has been on fire.
Oh. Oh, look, guys. It's just like gymnastic things.
It's not like it's where you used to behead children. Oh, what are your dad? Your dad's on the cover of a book here.
My dad's on the front cover of a book. No, and that guy's black. I can't see it, you fucking retard. Fucking hell. What? Oh, bloody hell. How have they got in here?
Makes a few quid.
Why would they be tired in a school? Jesus, look at all that rubbish. This is not how it looked in pictures.
Local mob's been in here and smashed the place up.
It was fine until Barnsley were playing yesterday.
And lost. Oh. I found out when the school closed down already.
How?
They were selling knockoff DVDs and council shut them down.
You having a laugh?
No.
Oh yeah. Oh.
I don't feel like it got closed down and they took all the stuff out. It just feels like
Yeah.
they left all the stuff in and then let the inmates smash the place up.
Inmates?
Yeah.
The students.
That's what they refer to students as in Barnsley.
Oh, have you seen this? It's like office chair paradise.
Is this like the secretary?
Have you seen this? It's like office chair paradise.
Why is there loads of office chairs?
Oh, yeah, there is. Well,
Holy
that
shit.
purple leather one, like.
Look at that.
Purple leather one's sick.
Why put all office chairs in here? Like safekeeping.
What's the thing called, like in the desert? You know them things in the desert that you
Sand.
an oasis.
Oh yeah.
It's an oasis of office chairs.
It won't worth the explanation that no.
You can come in here, you can browse at the chairs, and then when you get really tired, get your head down.
Oh bloody hell, not bad, eh? That mattress is in better nick than yours, Al.
That is actually true.
He just sleeps on lats.
On what?
The lats.
What's a lat?
Lift up your mattress and find out.
I thought they were called slats. No.
Someone beside that chair looking at themselves in the mirror.
We're going this way.
It's called tiles. Alright, mate. Making a right racket, mate. Oh yeah.
Tiles and the boss around. Tiles and tiles.
Oh. Cool. What's that? Oh look, we're in Mr. B's room.
I can guarantee that everyone that went to this school used to call him Mr. Bellend. Why do you remember these bad boys?
Oh, they used to play water in.
Yeah.
They used to have those like things, didn't they? Used to pump water through.
Hang on, there's something in that. There's something in there.
Quite heavy, isn't it?
The bastards have been trying to nick the tiles.
Like, oh, I get you. Tiles downstairs.
Holy shit, what have they been up to?
That is one thing that you do not expect to find in a school.
Why do you look? What is it? They're all spent as well. They're all spent shotgun cartridges.
I'm spent.
What the fuck? Work out.
Ow. What are you going on about? Why?
Good, you can tell we're in Barnsley. Oh shit. Can't you climb up that rope?
Not with one arm.
Why have you only got one arm?
An injury in that.
Shut the fuck up.
Why do you look at this fucking mouse?
Yeah, I used to use them when I was a kid.
They're fucking gay.
What's this? This is a big room. It's like an upstairs hall.
I want to know what's going on with this door.
It's a zombie door.
Look at that, you could watch.
Oh no, you can't watch the
Well, you can watch the people watching the game.
What?
Kieran Glover is a neck. What's that mean? Fuck feds. Big up Roy. I like that.
Look at this.
It's the zombie door.
This is weird.
That's a lot of like really. That's a lot of effort for not much return.
I mean, come on.
No, you're not going in, are you? What's in there? What are they hiding? Oh, that blackboard is well old school. So that all that effort was for naught. As in not much. Holy shit, this was a Japanese school?
We did Mandarin at high school.
You did? You can't even speak English?
I got kicked out of Mandarin.
I didn't expect that to happen.
That's how we started.
Yeah, I know.
Screw caught in my shoe.
Is that the high jump bar?
Went fucking mental at sinks. Jeez. Someone smashed this to shit.
Holy shit.
There's actually nothing on it.
Hey guys. Oi! Shh! You are?
Let's go say hi. Ah, you fuck. Where are they?
I don't know. Maybe they've gone upstairs.
Maybe they are.
Hello. Hi, mate.
Let's get crap out of us.
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
You're on YouTube now, boys, aren't you?
Yeah.
Ah, fucking hell. Nice to meet you. Hey, you'll get about, aren't you?
Right, that guy who was really nice to us then, I just want to say sorry because we got a thief in back.
Head west on
That's
Belgrade
twice
Road
I've been caught
towards
stealing the
Thirlmere
fucking
Road.
portable charger.
Why did you get caught stealing one last time?
Fucking for sure.
I got caught stealing one from a shop.